words to describe Christmas, what would they be?
Fun. Joy, and happiness. Happy. Spending time with family. Fun. Exciting. Joyful. Fun. He is a big man. He has a big beard, like a hat like this, maybe a bit bigger. He was born to have a big beard and he wants to grow it long. He goes down the primary. Yes, if he's not too fat. There's a bunch of elves. And he drops his elves into the chimneys as well. If you don't have a chimney, then he has this magic key to get into your house. I think Santa lives in the South Pole instead of the North Pole, because the South Pole is even colder than the North Pole.
Right.
But he doesn't want to get too cold. Yeah, but he has a really big beard to help him keep warm. That might not work in really cold weather though. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Comet, Cupid, Vixen, Blitzen and Donna. Yeah. Sprinkle reindeer food out for the reindeer.
Do you think Rudolph would prefer chocolate instead?
No. What happens if you
That would poison him. Not always. Yeah. Chocolate poisons animals.
What kind of things do you eat for Christmas?
Roast potatoes. Sprouts. I have turkey. Out of the. Get those two out of the way. I have roast dinner. I have some Brussels sprouts and some. You can't say turkey.
So what are your favourite things about Christmas?
Getting the presents, easy question. Be with my family and wrap the presents. I play with my new toys. My favourite things about Christmas time is unwrapping my presents and sleeping late. I get out of bed and then I start jumping on my sister's bed and my mum and dad's bed.
What are you wanting for Christmas?
Electric guitar and the new Premier League football and FIFA 20. I asked for a TV for my bedroom. If you ask me, nothing. I haven't wrote it yet. Nothing, because I'm just going to enjoy the holiday by spending at my nanny's house. A drone to keep an eye on my brother. No!